We are so excited to host this year's National Free Health Conference once again.
We had an amazing response last year, and we're back, bigger and better than ever.
Join us this year from Wednesday, August 4th to Friday, August 6th.
The program will run each of those days from 9:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.
We will have special guest speakers, a research exposition, and interactive sessions that will inspire you on your path toward becoming a healthcare professional.
Our theme for this year is Unity in Healthcare.
Unity in healthcare can mean a lot of things to different people.
For some, unity in healthcare means building compassion and communication with both patients and professionals.
For others, it could mean approaching a case from different perspectives to come up with a solution.
Register for the conference at www.nationalprehealthconf.org and find out what unity in healthcare could mean to you.